Hi, Roman Simantos here from RS Globus with our WorkHolding solutions. Today's video we're going to review our Hexagon base model. Let's take a look. Truly innovative tool. This is the Hexagon base made out of stainless steel 303. Attached master key. The really great feature about this Hexagon base, it has different variation of keys that you can mount on. Let's dismount it for a second and take a look on the Hexagon base itself. This is how it looks. Has a thread M12 right here for our Hexagon handle. I'm going to demonstrate that in a short while. The first key we're going to review is our master key, also made out of stainless steel 303, right here. How does it work with the Hexagon base? You just mount it in between the walls, as so. Take our bolt, put it inside, close it, and lock. Now, the true innovative feature of this Hexagon base, that doesn't really matter which ball vase do you use. Either it's a micro ball vase, a larger ball vase, either the GRS company or any other company, as long as you have two straight clamps that are closing and opening, you can work with this Hexagon base. In addition, using our Hexagon handle. Let's take a look how it looks on the micro ball vase. You just mount it in between the clamps, close it, and that's it. It's locked in place, as so. If you want to transist, you can always find the right spot for yourself, or reconfigure how it sits. If you notice right here, there's enough space so it wouldn't interfere with the thread of the ball vase, and can you always reconfigure how you want to work according to the weight distribution that is comfortable for you. Let's take a look how it looks with a standard ball vase. Same thing. Just put it in between the clamp, start closing it, and it's locked in place. Like so. You can release. Once again, find the right location for yourself, or reconfigure how it sits. Lock it again. That's it. It's ready. Let's take a look how it looks with our Hexagon handle. Our Hexagon handle made of aluminum 6061 with a knurled surface, because if someone uses their hands and works constantly a few hours, the hands tend sweating, so the knurled surface allows a better grip so your hands won't slip. Just mount it underneath the Hexagon base, and so close the thread, and you can transist working in your hands. Comfortable grip, not too heavy, not too light, because it's aluminum, lightweight, and stainless steel a little bit more heavier, so the combination finds the right comfortable grip, so you can hold it for hours and hours. Now let's review our master key and how it works in the micro ball vase. We mount it in between. By the way, the diameter right here, that plays as a stopper when you mount it in between the clamp, so it doesn't go any more deeper than that. Once you lock it in place, close a little bit tighter the clamps. It's locked. Now the master key is very unique because you can utilize all of our attachment that I showed in the previous videos right here on the master key. 4 cylinders made of aluminum for rings, which are lock or thermalock. 10 expandable collets for rings, large box made of aluminum for pendants and earrings, and a wheel made of aluminum for bracelets, necklaces, or watches. Let's show a few pieces to demonstrate. Let's start with the aluminum cylinder right here. We take our bolt made of stainless steel, length 38 millimeters, put it inside, take our screw knob, close it, and right here you have the option to transist automatically and very fast from horizontal position to vertical position and find any angle in between. And once you find it, all you need to do is just lock our bolt that connects between the hexagon base and the master key, and it doesn't move, so you can work comfortably doing scoops, drills, holes, cutting cut down, and so on. Very fast to transist to horizontal position. Let's take a look how it looks with the expandable collets. Ring, expandable collet, our two cones, 1, 2, 3, mounted to master key, put our ring, start closing the cones, and the ring is locked in place. Comfortable way to work on a ring in a horizontal position. As soon as you want to transist to a vertical position, just release the bolt a little bit, the master key goes down, and you have a vertical position comfortably for use. Use our screw knob to release a little bit the grip for the expandable collet, and you have 360 degrees rotation. Lock it again, and it's solid in place. If you want to work more comfortably on the vertical position, just move the ring a little bit upper, close it tightly, and that's it. Very easy, very fast. Drill, open holes, like so. Start cutting. The bolt sits good in the seating of the cone, so it doesn't interfere your graver. Another option how you can utilize the expandable collet or the cylinders is you have two slots right here from each direction. So accordingly to your personal preference and from the angle that you're looking for, you can also utilize these slots by using expandable collet or aluminum cylinder, like so. Put in the ring, close it tightly, and that's it. It's locked in place. Good approach to start cutting. Release a little bit and allows you to rotate 360 degrees, so you can boost your productivity while you're cutting. Right here. Now if you have a halo, so the upper part of the master key gonna interfere your work, so all you have to do is dismount, let's choose a ring with a center stone and a halo. Put it on the other side. release our bolt a little bit, lock it in place again, put the ring, start closing the bolt. The cone starts to meet each other and the expandable collet expands evenly because of our slots from each direction, and now it's comfortable angle and doesn't interfere the halo head. Right here you can perform bright cut or cut down as so. By the way, additional feature of the master key is the slot right here for a comfortable grip around the ring. So when you work a lot of hours, you tend to feel that endurance on your fingers. So we created this slot so you have a good and comfortable grip. Either you work on the slots underneath or the upper slot, doesn't matter. Let's release it a little bit, go back. And now we're gonna show how we can use our large box for earrings and pendants. Let's take a bolt 45 millimeters, mount it in from this direction, right here. As you notice, the bolt doesn't stick out, so it's comfortable. Again, you have the slots right here for comfortable grip. You can perform right here. Have a good working territory, still having rotation, multifunction usage. Once you want to lock it in place, just lock it right here. Find the right angle that's suitable for you. Lock it again. So, release the bolt a little bit, go back to horizontal position. Now let's see how it looks with our wheel for necklace, bracelets and watches. Let's take our wheel with the bracelets first. Put our 45 millimeters length bolt, mount it on the upper slot, close it with our screw knob, and you have ability to work on a bracelet. Doesn't matter which ball vase you use, 360 degrees. Once you find your right spot, lock it in place. See, it's locked. Release a little bit the bolt, find the right angle for yourself according to what you need. Comfortable grip. For more angles, let's take a look how it looks for watches with wristwatch and with the case. Our wristwatch and our case, bolt 45 millimeters, put it inside. Lock it, close it with the screw knob, release it a little bit, 360 degrees for layout, drilling, opening holes. And once you want to start cutting, it's a little bit loose, so just tighten it a little bit. And now you can start cutting right here. Now, in order to transit from wristwatch work to case work, all you have to do is release our bolt a little bit, tilt it, and now you can work on the case right here. Once again, either use the 360 degrees rotation of the ball vase, or either just release the bolt, and you have 360 degrees. Now if you notice, if a little bit weight distribution is not even, so you can always reconfigure how your hexagon base is sitting. Just move it a little bit, close it tightly, lock it, and that's it. Very comfortable. Boosts your productivity, allows you to work more efficient, not wasting time. Same thing, of course, whatever I show you with our hexagon base, you can use on the larger ball vase. Very easy and very fast to transist. I used to work at the beginning with, I started to work as a setter with a standard GRS ball vase. I transited to a micro GRS ball vase due to different work. It became more for micro pavé, for small pieces, so I moved to the micro GRS ball vase, but I know that a lot of people enjoy and find that the standard ball vase is much more suitable for them. So you can find everything you need with our tools, no matter which ball vase you use. And like I showed you before, you can always transist to working in your hands using a hexagon handle from horizontal position to vertical. Lock it in place, 360 degrees rotation, lock it again, and it's locked in place. Release the bolt and you're back in a horizontal position where you can work. Let's show how it looks with our expandable collet using our handle. Tight the bolt, the collet expands, captures the ring, that's it. Again, the slots are for a better grip for your fingers, to hold the ring much closer, to control it. Release a little bit the bolt, rotate the ring, find the right territory, lock it again, release our hexagon handle, dismount, and go back to working on a micro ball vase, like so. From horizontal position to a vertical position. By the way, if you put the hexagon base in another position and you find that the screw knob is too close to the ball vase and it's not comfortable for you, you can always find the right angle so it's going to be more comfortable for you. Like so it's not interfering right now. I believe for this video we're done. Once again, thank you for watching. On my next video I'm going to demonstrate our hexagon base with our next key, the curved key, and the features that you can achieve using our curved key. So please stay tuned once again, you're always welcome to visit our website at rsglobus.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.